5 years ago or so, this video went around the internet, baffling minds and amazing scientists. This amazing phenomenon that is happening here is quantum levitation. Quantum levitation is a process when scientists use quantum physics to levitate a superconductor over a magnetic surface. A superconductor is a material that allows electrons to flow easily, thus allowing electric and magnetic waves to pass through the superconductor. Now, you'll notice that the superconductor is accompanied with a liquid nitrogen sac. That is to help keep it cool. So, what's going on here? To start, it appears that the Meissner effect is taking place. The Meissner effect is the expulsion of a magnetic field from a superconductor while it is in the process of becoming a superconductor. This causes the magnetic field to wrap around the superconductor instead of flowing straight through, creating a pocket in the magnetic field. If there were no forces acting upon the superconductor, then it would stay in place. However, things like air movement and gravity cause it to move around. This is where quantum locking comes in. Quantum locking, or flux pinning, means the further a magnetic field has to penetrate the object, the more it's going to be repelled. In most cases, the magnetic field is repelled completely due to a lack of energy to overcome the Meissner effect. However, most superconductors are quite thin, microns thin, meaning that the surface of it isn't going to be 100% smooth. The changes of it being thick and thin, or impurities, create weak points, allowing magnetic fields to enter through, creating flux tubes. Flux tubes are columns of magnetic energy that pin the superconductor in place within the magnetic field. Any movement of the superconductor requires energy in order to realign the flux tubes, thus causing the superconductor to stay in place.
So now that we have this amazingness of quantum levitation, imagine everything that we can do with it. We can create an entirely new mode of transportation. Unfortunately, flying cars are going to be a while until we actually see them, and installing magnets in our streets are going to be kind of costly. However, places in Asia already have magnet levitating trains. So with that, maybe flying cars aren't going to be as far off as one might think.